अनिच्छवत संखर उपाधवयदम्मिनो उपजित्वा निरुध्यन्ति तेषां उपशमो सुखो अनिच्छवत संखर upadhavayadammina. In Matrix movie you will find whatever arises it has to pass away. In the field of the entropy I am born, I am going to pass away. It passed away. Anicca sankhara upadhavayadammina. In the field of impermanent, and everything is impermanent. There cannot be any permanent. Understand? And every reaction, anicca sankhara, no reaction is permanent at DNA level. Everything can be changed. Everything can grow or die. Growing is only to die. अनिच्छावत संखर उपाधवयदम्मिनो उपजित्वा निरुध्यन्ते उपजित्वा. And whatever the merit you have done, whatever the meditation you have done, whatever to the extent you have cleaned, so at one go you are lying down, this day I meditated. In that 15 minutes of my meditation, whatever I purified, whatever the memories I deactivated, and that much I am relieved. Upajitva, whatever I conquered, that much I conquered. And that much I am liberated, that much I am free. Nirujjante. What is left over, what is removed, that much you are relieved. That's why in the meditation only you should look at. End will come, but you start removing it. As and when you start removing it, then and there you feel so happy, so calm. A house you are cleaning, and suddenly your house will not shine. As you go on cleaning, and your house looks better, feels better, and as you go on cleaning, finally when your cleaning is completed, your house looks brilliant. So meditation is exactly like that. Upajitva nirujjante tesam upasama sukha. And that much, that is a happiness. The moment you remove the stink and there is a goodness over there, fragrance over there, there is no more bad smell. Whatever bad smell removed, and that much smell is reduced, and that much good smell is there. Understand? So the same way, the memory, whatever the memory you deactivated, and that much you are relieved, that much lighter you feel. That much lighter you feel. That's the process of meditation. And this is a shloka Buddha makes the monks to chant for anyone who is on the deathbed. Who is on the deathbed? It's a very powerful mantra. That's why I am chanting it, so that you can download it and you can use it, contemplate, understand what does it mean. Anicca sankhara upadhavayadammino upajitva nirujjante tesam upasama sukha. This is one thing. And another one is studied. The next shloka is studied. Yes. Aneka jate samsara sanda विस्सं अनिभिसं गहकारक गवे संतो दुख जाते पुनः पुनः गहकारक धित्तोसि पुनः गेहं न काहसे सभातो फासुका बग्गा विसंकार गतं चित्तं तनः न कायमज्जगा. And then comes the shloka. This is a tradition in Buddhist tradition, in Theravada tradition. They chant like this. On the deathbed, the chants which are very powerful. Sabbhesu chakkavalesu tumhe katam punnam sabbha sampatti sadakam sabbhetam anumoditva samagga sasane rata pamada rahita hontu हरक्खा सुविशेषतो सभ्येषु चक्रवालेषु. The infinite number of universes, world systems, infinite number of hierarchy of the universes, so many infinite loops. Yakhadevacha Brahmano. The same architecture, just like we have earth and we have heavens and we have fields of consciousness beyond consciousness, 31 planes of consciousness. Like the 31 planes of consciousness called samsara world system, the infinite like this. And everything architecture, the same gods will, and all these have the similar structure and similar legacies. And is full of the same, like humans and like yakshas, gods, brahmas, etc. He is explaining. Buddha is explaining. Yakkadevacha brahmano. This is how the nature is operating. Every universe logic is operating, and operating forces are very, very high. Infinite forces are there. Even one logic fails, another logic, back-end operation is there, back-end logic operates. That the front-end logic, back-end logic, you can't be beyond the logic. Otherwise, these universes can't survive. And he's telling, Tumhe katam punna. What they monitor? They monitor what is your database, what is your frequency, what is your wavelength. Are you reducing your frequency or are you increasing your frequency? Increasing the frequency means like becoming like a virus, coronavirus. Reducing the frequency means becoming like a god. And your curve is going like the flat, no frequency, and you won't be born in the field of the wavelength and frequency. That's all. And you will be tuned depending on, so where your frequency is like this, where your frequency like this. That's what he is explaining. Tum he yam he katam punna. What merit you have accrued in this life? How much you have cleaned yourself, and how much good you have done to everyone, not to your family, to everyone in the society. How much you have done, that comes with you. That is monitored by them. If you have not done anything, they will only monitor. They will put you into whatever the wavelength, that wavelength you are tuning into, that's all. No one can change it. Suppose you set your FM radio or TV channel, that particular frequency bandwidth is given. 5G means 28.3 gigahertz. 4G means only 9 gigahertz, 8 gigahertz. Very 8 is 25 gigahertz. 25 gigahertz is, that's why, and So much of shattering happens when the 5G comes. As the 5G, 6G means 25 gigahertz to you going to 60 gigahertz or something like that. The band, the frequency is increasing. Understand? It is to shatter. The more power means, and it creates more noise. So understand, and that's what. Sabbhetam anumoditva samagga sasane rata. They only see. They are the protectors of the logic. Samagga sasane rata. If you have walked on the right path, if you have purified, you have not done any sins, and you have sat, you meditated, you purified, and this logic observing you, watching you, you are protected. Samagga sasane rata, 24/7, you are under vigilance. You are not alone, understand. No CCTV, you may be thinking, no one is watching me. You are like a fool. Every electron in you is being watched. Every circuit in you is watched, already programmed. So how, where you are operate for good or bad, it is being observed. Understand? That's why if you understand this, samagga sasane rata sabbhetam anumoditva, the one who has become a good human, made every effort, he got a good guru, and he made such a progress, he became a Jesus, he became a prophet, he became a Rama, he became a yogi. Everyone in this entire hierarchy, the forces, they will be very happy. They will be so pleased to help you, pleased to protect you, pleased to help you to protect you. They are very powerful. Sabbhetam anumoditva samagga sasane rata pamadarahita hontu. You will not be in danger. Rest assured, and you have the highest level of protection. And that is the most powerful protection you have. Rahita, pamada, no danger will, no coronavirus will act upon you. If you have done, if you are a good person, strong-minded, purified-minded, if your immunity is protected, you are living is scientific, no coronavirus, no evil can affect you. Understand? Pamada rahita hontu arakhasu visesato. This is a special protection program, safety program for you to operate this logic, to go beyond the logic, understand, hey my dear monks, and what you read. This is a big logic. If you are following my path, you are protected by these forces, and you will go to either heavens or you go beyond. Hey monks, don't be heedless. So, and at the time of the deathbed, when you read it, so the protection chant, when you chant like this given by the Buddha and all the gods, the logic, and take this soul to the heaven. That's why there are the 3 mantras and there are many mantras, and Buddha gives a Lama chant at the time of the death. In Theravada tradition one style, in Mahayana tradition one style. And why am I chanting you? Because almost 45,000 deaths, lakhs of deaths, and all those departed souls. Today my prayers are for all those departed souls, all my, whatever the merit I accrued, so it is for them. And by that power of that merit, punya vitarana, by power of that merit, so may all those souls be transcended, be at peace, may reach heaven, may blessed. That's why don't be afraid. And the death is too small to conquer a human mind, but a weak human mind, and death is a king for a weak mind, and so a strong mind, and death has become a slave. Understand? A pure mind, effulgent mind, A strong mind means not egoistic mind, a pure mind, a clean mind, a mind free from all the impurities, all the impurities. Understand and understand the story doesn't end. Energy is neither created nor destroyed. It only changes from one form to another form. That's what Einstein told. Hey, this is E. It can become a powerful universal love, and your purpose of existence is only love. Don't convert it into ego. That's all. Aniccavat sankhara upada vayadham mena whatever that arise passes away. Every emotion, every feeling comes to go away. Let go away. Let go away. Try not to hold on when it comes. Know that it goes away. When it comes, observe, observe, accept, accept, to let it go. Aniccavat sankhara upada vayadhamena upajjante nirujjante upajjitva nirujjante tesam upasamo sukhi hontu sukhi hontu sabhesu chakavalesu chakavalesu yakadeva Brahmana, all those angels, all those forces who govern everything, who are everywhere. Tumhe katam punna, tumhe katam punna, sab sampatti sadhakam sadhakam. May all of them bless you by your merit, by your merit. You are blessed on to read, so to read. All your merit protects you, on your merit that protects you. They are protectors of your merit, your goodness. nurture your goodness, and all goodness of the nature be with you. It protects you. Sabhetam anumoditva, all laws of nature, everything in the world accepts the way the things are, accept the way the things are. Sabhetam anumoditva samaga sasanerata, follow the path of values, follow the path of righteous, follow the path of noble one. You are safe, every force be with you, it protects you. Pamada rahita hontu, you are free from any danger, by anything. You are safe. Pamada, you are free from any danger, knows the laws of nature, for they are so great. They rule the world, adore them, respect them. You are protected, you are free from all viruses, all diseases. Arakasu visesato, arakasu visesato, all of you will have this protection given by saint, by this truth. May you all be safe, be protected. Arakasu visesato, may you, your family, may you, your friend, may you, your relatives, may you, your colleagues, may all you be protected by the grace of Jesus, by the grace of Prophet, by the divine Buddha, by the force of a yogi. May you be safe, may you be protected, protected. Shanti. May peace pervade everything. Oh, Shanti. Oh. profuse everything, everything. Oh, Shanti. Oh, peace. Percolate everything. Oh, peace, give us blessed, blessed. Oh, peace, oh Lord, may this peace be bestowed upon everyone. Amen. Inshallah. Hari Om. Hara Om. Tat Sat. Namaste. 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 May all be protected.